Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to see if someone blocked me on Telegram. So let's head over to the key steps, so that you can know they have blocked you on Telegram. So the key signs of being blocked on Telegrams are, for the first one is message delivery issues. Like when you send a message, it only shows one tick indicating the message wasn't delivered. So let me show you a Telegram. If I send this message like hi in here, it is showing double ticks. So if it shows only one tick just right beside the message, you can know that they have blocked you. And the second one is failed calls. You can't initiate voice or video calls to the person. So there might be a voice or video call option right here. But if you can't find that option, then you can know that they have blocked you on Telegram. And the next one is unable to add to group chats. Like if you are having a group chat according with that person too, so then you might not be able to join the group chat again. And the last but not the least is there might be profile picture missing of that specific person. The profile picture is like this picture on their account. And the last one is no last seen status. Like if you go to a specific account, you can know that there is a last seen option just that shows on their screen. Like if I go to, like, let's go to this one. So as you can see, there is a last seen tag or flag that is showing. But if it is not showing, then you can know that they have blocked you on Telegram. Yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.